Since 1969, PMI has been at the top of its game using the finest equipment and state-of-the-art technology for its customers. Case in point, with conventional resurfacing of parking lots, cracks always come back through, and water drainage issues are not able to be corrected. In the following 4-minute video, you'll see a complete reconstruction of a parking lot. The process involves pulverizing any existing asphalt or stone base to meet specified gradations. The new homogeneous base is then graded and compacted to meet cross-slope requirements and density requirements to be checked by the engineer. The driving surface can remain open through the duration of the project with limited closures and congestion. Little, if any, material needs to be hauled off-site and landfilled. Pulver mixing allows for existing materials including asphalt to be reused and reshaped to provide for additional strength and proper drainage. Unlike excavating, during reconstruction, pulver mixing allows for the continuous flow of traffic. Notice how the recycled material is evenly blended throughout the pulver mixing depth. No one piece after recycling shall be larger than 3 inches in diameter. PMI uses state-of-the-art technology for setting final grades. In the past, 3-foot tall grade stakes were easily knocked over or a hindrance to traffic. These feathers allow for grades to be maintained throughout, even if they come in contact with a passing vehicle. PMI uses an extensive array of equipment that produces the required density and a minimum 1.5% drainage. On average, PMI can finish grade approximately 1,500 square yards per day. Once the grading operation is complete, special MS, or prime, is applied by a computerized distributor truck at a rate of 0.10 gallons per square yard. This process protects the desired grade from weather and traffic until the paving process can be completed. This special MS is then reactivated once it comes into contact with the hot asphalt mix to act as a binder to the graded surface. After a period of 15 to 20 minutes to allow the special MS to be absorbed by the graded surface, a sand truck evenly distributes agricultural number 131 screenings to allow for the immediate flow of traffic. Using power brooms and blowers, the number 131 screenings will be cleaned from the prime surface the morning of paving. PMI uses state-approved asphalt mixes, typically type S1, or as in this case, type S3. The paver is laying an asphalt thickness of 2 inches, which is compacted to 1.5 inches. A double-drum steel wheel roller with a water system immediately follows the paver to attain proper and desired compaction. After the pavement is cooled, a rubber tire finished roller is applied to the surface to eliminate any imperfections. Agricultural sand is lightly applied to the surface not only to create a buffer between the tires and the new asphalt, but to also help control power steering marks once the pavement is open to the public. Once the paving process is complete, PMI, using federally approved traffic paint, will restripe and set new concrete car stops to allow for the immediate reopening of the reconstructed area to the public. From start to finish, this 63,000 square foot parking lot was completely reconstructed in 5 business days. The pulver mixing process typically is completed in 1/3 the time compared to conventional reconstruction, producing the same results